My name is METİN Arıdaşır. This is 146th part of explanation of my theory. Yes. Faster than light, massive photon. Faster than light, photon with mass. According to my theory and my formulas, 1. Neither photon nor electron motion form is particle. Photon is not a particle, electron motion form or electron is not a particle. Whereas, in accepted physics theories, both photon and electron are particles. 2. Electron motion form is intrinsic motion form of meta-sensation perception matter. Electron motion form is spherical ring shape wave which has wavelength, radius. Whereas in accepted physics theories, electron is a dimensionless point particle. 3. Each point of electron motion form's surface can be named as photon. If I named is so photon, A. Point wave velocity, photons velocity, point wave energy, photons energy, point wave mass, photon mass, photons mass are variable, depend on electron motion forms, relocating displacement velocity, electron motion forms, motion direction and its orientation. B. Whether electron motion form is at rest, it is not relocating, no displacement, or it is in motion, relocating. Photon, as a point of electron motion form's surface in any direction, has mass. Whether electron motion form is at rest or in motion, photon in each situation has mass. Whereas in accepted physics theories, photon is massless. Remember from my former videos, I have computed photons' rest mass, etc. 4. Electron motion form exceeds the speed of light. By doing this, it loses its mass and it becomes neutrino. But in the greater directions of 90 degree, here 90 degree, this is 0 degree, 180 degrees, here. Snapshot. Here, this line, electron motion form's velocity, coordinates y and x direction, angles between opposite directions, between 0 degree and 180 degrees. Here. Electron motion form exceeds the speed of light. By doing this, it loses its mass and it becomes neutrino. But in the greater, this side, 90 degree, 60 degrees, 45 degrees, 120 degrees. in the greater directions of 90 degree, on this zone, all points of electron motion form's surface, or all photons with their varied different velocities have faster than speed of light velocities, without losing their point masses. How? I mean, on this zone, photon has mass and exceeds speed of light. Remember from my former videos, these are my formulas. Point wave velocity of electron motion form. D is equal to C minus electron motion form's velocity cosine alpha, and point wavelength of electron motion form, lambda prime is equal to lambda normal minus delta lambda cosine alpha, remember. And when I computed according to my theory and my formulas, this formula, here electron motion form at 1.5 10 to the plus 8 meter per square velocity in 0 degree direction. Here, smaller than 90 degree electron motion form for each through the 0 degree decreases. Greater 90 degree increases. Speed of light, smaller than 90 degree decreases under the speed of light. Greater 90 degree point wave velocities greater than speed of light. This is my graph. Yes, I advise you to notice that. Now, here, again, I hope you see yes, wholly I hope you see. Here, according to my formulas, intertwined energy, mass, point wave velocity, C minus electron motion form velocity cosine alpha, according to this mass and velocity, electron motion form's velocity and its point mass in this direction, 0 degree direction, n equal 1, alpha is equal to 0 in motion direction of electron motion form. This is the graph. Here, electron motion form's point mass in 0 degree direction, 0 degree motion direction. Here, electron motion form's velocity. Yes, electron motion form can exceed speed of light, and it exceeds also. But when it exceeds, this is speed of light zone. When exceeds speed of light, this is faster than light, massless electron zone, neutrino zone. here, right side. If electron motion form equal to speed of light or exceeds speed of light, here it loses its mass, and now from now on it's neutrino. Here this is the graph, normal graph. But finally it exceeds this speed of light, finally. Not through the eternity go parallel speed of light, no. Always exceeds speed of light, finally. But under different conditions, okay? This is another subject. This is another subject, yes. Here. For each velocity, 0.5 10 to the plus 8 meter per second, 1 10 to the plus 8 meter squared meter per second, etc. goes on through the speed of light. This is the points, speeds. And relative to this graph, here, if speed of light, say, wait a moment, please. Yes. Here, speed of electron motion form is 0 and no change. Horizontal blue line, okay. At rest, electron motion form here. But when electron motion form gradually increases, okay, photon velocity smaller than 90 degrees in the zero direction decreases, and greater of 90 degree increases through the 2 multiplied by speed of light, excess speed of light here. And again, greater velocity electron motion form in this direction, 0 degree direction, in motion direction, smaller wave velocities, point velocities, and 90 degree direction through the 2 multiplied by c, 2c, through the 2c value increasing, okay. Here, as electron motion form velocity increases through the c, in the same direction electron motion form's point wave velocities decreases in opposite direction, greater than 90 degrees, increases, exceeds speed of light through the 2 multiplied by c, like this, through 2c, c, 2c, okay. But here, at rest electron motion form, no change. Point wave velocity here. At a certain velocity v1, changing through the 0 degree direction, point velocities decreases 90 degree, greater 90 degree, wave velocities excess the speed of light through the 2c. And if electron motion form increases faster than this one, this graph change, and through the zero, in the zero direction, point wave velocities in the zero direction close to zero velocity, not zero but close to zero, and opposite direction greater than 90 degrees, close to 2c. Yes, here snapshot. Here snapshot. I hope you see. Then here snapshot. I will go on next. I advise you to read my writings under this video. Have a good evening. See you later.